learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alex 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And if you ever go to an airport and you are at the counter, the clerk is going to ask you, what can I do for you? 如果到机场，对不对？然后呢，这个到了柜台一定会问你说，有什么事情我可以为你做一些服务，什么事情，对不对？ So how do you say, what can I do for you? 有什么事情？
有乜嘅事情？
有乜嘅事情 Okay, that's this month's theme. And let's take you to the airport this time. 好，我们的场景就是在出国。听起来就会很开心，对不对？
对呀。
好的，这个我也才刚出国回来，所以呢，我教这个很实用。机票 ，an airline ticket. How do you say that?
機票。
机票 ，OK, that is an airline ticket. 那到了这个柜台的时候，通常呢要划位的时候，可能他会问你说，你要走道呢，还是要靠窗？哦，那当然，如果你很晚到啊，对不起，你只能挤在中间。
对。
Let's teach you when you get your seat. They may ask you if they have seats available for aisle seat or window seat. 所以走道 aisle.
走廊。
走廊，这走廊的意思是不是？Okay, 走廊. Okay, that is actually also means a hallway, I guess, or a walkway, but it means the aisle seat. Okay, 那如果是在靠窗户的话 ，by the window.
瓦窗門。
不是靠这个字嘞，瓦窗門。
瓦窗門。
瓦窗門。OK， 窗就是窗，門就是門嘛，对不对？
感觉对不对？
窗門。以前因为窗户都是用那种
可以打开来，对不对
？Okay, 窗門 means window, but if you have to break down the two words, it actually means window door because in the old days, windows actually look like a door. How you open it up? 所以这个 va 就是靠在旁边的意思了，对不对？
对。
all right, va that means on the side of the window. All right, let's make a sentence now. 就说我要靠窗的位置，怎么说呢？
我愛瓦窗門嘅位。
Okay, that means I want a seat by the window. 我愛瓦窗門嘅位。Okay, that means please give me a seat by the window. All right, now you know how to make a reservation in Hakka, so let's review all these terms. 機票 airline ticket.
機票
機票 and then the aisle seat 走道
走廊
走廊 and then by the window 靠窗
瓦窗門
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 瓦窗門 And now you know how to say all these terms. It's all about what can I do for you? 有什么事情？
有乜嘅事情？
有乜嘅事情 And another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.